Welcome back to DLM Campervans. Today we have a pre-owned blue metallic titanium-based Ford Transit Connect with a mini T conversion. Has remainder of the 3-year 36,000 bumper to bumper from Ford, 5-year 60,000 powertrain, and a brand new conversion warranty, 1-year unlimited mileage from DLM. Inside you find integrated navigation, heated leather seats, blind spot indicators in the mirror. Also has the adaptive cruise control. If you haven't had adaptive, that means if someone slows down in front of you when you have your cruise set, it'll keep a safe distance between you and the other vehicle. This is a great safety feature because it also will stop if something pulls out in front of you and you don't notice it. Has a hitch, 2,000-pound towing capacity. On the roof, there's solar. Also has an antenna for the TV DVD player that you find inside. The panoramic roof also has the solar shade. It's power. So you can close it or you can open it in the evening and watch the stars while you're camping. Has a couch that folds out into the 43 by 72 inch bed. 2000 watt inverter, dual house batteries. Those are being charged by the solar when you're plugged in or when you're driving. Microwave, thermostatically controlled refrigerator, sink, hand pump faucet, fresh water and gray water, front privacy curtain. Windows in the back are limo tinted, so you can see out but not in. It also comes with WeatherTech sunshades, vinyl floor, underbed storage, foldable portable under bed toilet. $2,000-watt inverter allows you to use your microwave, a CPAP machine, or anything else when you're not plugged in. Here it's pulled out in the bed position. And as you can see, if you have the sunshade open, you can see out the roof of your camper. This vehicle also has Ford Pass, which allows you to lock, unlock, and start your vehicle from your phone. And it also has the optional key fob remote start. Check out all the details online, DLM-Distribution.com, or give us a call, 651-285-7089 or 507-382-9446. Happy camping!